Marami ang halos mapaiyak sa nasabi nga pong collaboration or duet ni popstar Sarah Geronimo at ng kanyang ama na si Daddy Delphine, especially the popstar. Inilabas ang nasabing refrain cover ni Sarah Geronimo sa kanyang YouTube channel na Sarah Geronimo, kung saan ito po ay uploaded 15 hours ago at meron na nga po itong 101,000 views. Siyempre, marami po ang na-touch dahil alam naman natin na ilang taon na hindi nakasama ni Sarah Geronimo ang kanyang mga parents dahil na rin sa kanilang pagpapakasal ni Matteo Gudicelli na kung saan ay sobrang naging kontrobersyal. Marami ang natutuwa ngayon dahil maayos na nga sila Sarah G at ang kanyang Mommy Divine and Daddy Delphine. At ang nasabi nga pong kantang refrain ay halos maiyak ang mga popstar. Sa comment section na may 1,187 comments, 87 comments, sinabi nilang bakit ako naiiyak? Umpisa pa lang, thank God they are now together. God bless you, Sarah G. Sinang isa, more songs pa po from Daddy Delphine and Sarah G. Today is my papa's birthday. Say pa ng isa, kaya naman nakakaiyak. Bakit naiiyak ako while watching them singing together? But I'm so happy sa kung nangyayari ngayon. Happiest birthday, my forever I do. Oh, she loves her dad so much. The reunion I've been silent praying for. Grabe naman ang emosyon. Unang linya pa lang ng daddy niya. Wala na, naiiyak na ako. Nakakaiyak. Finally, what everybody is waiting for. Happy Sarah and her father in one screen. Susunod ka na Sarah, baby naman on the way. Thank you Daddy Delphine for being Sarah's mentor, kaya ganyan siya kagaling at kabait. Full of love, father and daughter, love and respect to each other. The baby Sarah in her is so happy. Sarah singing this song with her father brought me back to my childhood, when I used to hear my own father pour his heart out into every song he sang on our home karaoke. This song was one of them. I'm literally crying right now. Daddy Delphine is also such a great storyteller. Happiest birthday, Sarah G. Who's crying now? Namiss kong makita na magsama ulit sila na mag-cover ng song. Happy birthday, our dearest Tala. The best more music with your dad, Queen. I am crying. Ang sarap pakinggan tapos father and daughter pa. Sana kami rin ng nanay ko while singing to my tatay, kaso di na pwedeng mangyari yon kasi nauna na sila. Well, ayan nga po ang pinakamahalaga na hanggat nandyan ang iyong mga magulang ay yung pakamahalin. At si Sarah, bilang napakabait na anak, hindi talaga siya nagkulang. Ang masarap pa dito, nakita natin sa video ang beso-beso niya with Mommy Divine. Well, mukha ngayon ay magiging maganda ang comeback ni Sarah G at isa na ngang pagpapakita ito ng kanyang comeback with collaboration duet with her dad, Daddy Delphine, singing refrain. At yan ang ating Showbiz Snap update. Images are all credit to the rightful owners. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching Showbiz Snap.